Good day everyone, I am Kate Daniel Osia, a third year student from Section C. In this video, I am going to discuss about some of the 7 articles in the Universal Declarations of Human Rights or UDHR. Before anything else, I will review first what is UDHR. The Universal Declarations of Human Rights, or UDHR, is a landmark document in history of human rights. It establishes fundamental human rights that should be universally protected. Drafted by representatives from diverse legal and cultural backgrounds, the UDHR was proclaimed by United Nations General Assembly in Paris on December 10, 1948, as a standards of achievements for all people and nations. The UDHR is recognized for inspiring the adoptions of over 70 human rights treaties applied globally and regionally. Of the 7 articles, I have chosen Article 5 for this activity. I chose this article because I remember a news story from about a month ago about a 9-year-old student who was arrested and beaten by 4 high school students, causing the child severe pain and suffering, which led to a coma. Article 5 of the Universal Declarations of Human Rights, or UDHR, is a critical safeguard against inhuman treatment. It unambiguously states, "No one shall be subjected to torture or to cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatments or punishment." So these provisions seek to protect the inherent dignity of every individual by prohibiting any forms of mistreatment that inflicts severe pains, sufferings, or humiliation. The purpose of Article 5 is to set a universal standards of conduct, ensuring that all individuals are treated with respect and compassion regardless of their circumstances. It aims to prevent governments and other entities from engaging in practices that violate basic human decency by prohibiting torture or other forms of mistreatment. Article 5 seeks to uphold the fundamental principles of human rights and dignity. Moreover, Article 5 applies to all individuals without exceptions. It prohibits any forms of torture or cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatments, whether inflicted by states, actors, or private individuals. So this comprehensive protections underscores the universal nature of human rights and the obligations of all to respect and uphold the dignity of others. In essence, Article 5 serves as a cornerstones of human rights law, establishing a clear and equivocal prohibitions against torture and other forms of mistreatment. It affirms the inherent form and dignity of every human being, ensuring that no one is subjected to practices that violate their basic rights and freedoms. As I understand it, according to Article 5, severe and persistent bullying, particularly when it involves physical or psychological violence, can be classified as cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment. So here a short video about the aftermath of the 9 years old being beaten up.
Nagising na ang grade 3 student na ilang araw nang nananatili sa intensive care unit ng Northern Mindanao Medical Center sa Cagayan de Oro City. Siya ang 9 gulang na batang pinagtulungan umanong bugbugin ng grupo ng grade 8 students sa Barangay Maria Cristina sa Iligan City noong August 4. Ayon sa ina ng bata, August 12 nagising ang kanyang anak at ngayong araw tatanggalin ng mga doktor ang intubation kit. Taus-puso ang kanilang pasasalamat sa tumulong sa kanila. Batay sa investigasyon ng Iligan Police, hindi pinsan ng biktima ang nagsumbong sa magulang ng bata, kundi kanyang kaklase at kapitbahay. Ang sinasabing pinsan daw ng biktima ang kanyang nakasuntukan bago pa mangyari ang pambubugbog sa kanya. Kinumpirma naman ito ng ina ng biktima. Sa ngayon, na-identify na ng pulisya ang 4 na 13 anyos na grade 8 student na sinasabing responsable sa insidente. Hinihintay na lang daw nila ang pahayag ng biktima upang mabigyan ng intervention ang mga sinasabing nanggulpi sa kanya.
It is heartbreaking to see a child treated like that when they've done nothing wrong. So I searched for an update on the case and the victim is now recovering.